Friends, good evening. Welcome to our next tutorial on Java. In last video, we discussed about for each loop using array. Now, in this video, we'll concentrate on declaration, creation, assigning of array, that is using single line. So how we can do that, we can see here. So what is that? Declaring, creating, then assigning the array elements in a single line. How this will do, we'll see here. Single line, here we can check this, how this happens. So first of all here using this, so first how we type, first is the I'm declaring one array in a single line, that is data type. Then here we are giving this array name and array indication equal to, within this braces, here we can give list of values separated by commas. So within this braces we can write multiple values separated by the commas. So that how example here, int marks, this is a array name, equal to, so 100, 69, 66, 88, like this. You can follow up to n. This is the way we are declaring array in a single line. So when we are declaring, creating and assigning the values in a single line, then we need not to specify the size of the array. So for this, no need of size. Then the creation of array will be done by JVM, and size of the array is also decided by JVM based on number of values specified within this. Means size can be decided by JVM. So based on how many values you assign there, that can be designed by this. Then once the size of the array is decided, the JVM itself will assign the values to array elements. Even assignment is also done by JVM here, because all the data is available here, then it can be assigned like this. Now we'll see, this is array already I created here, like int marks array. So if this is array, how it can be, see here. For this normally we'll write here, how we will write normal this array, int what is this, here we'll write this marks. So marks, just I'll copy this marks code, marks, then marks equal to new int. Here how many values we specified, something I'll specify 5 values. Size I am giving the 5. This is normal way we are using this in a multiple lines. So then of 0 equal to something here, what we given, same value will give 100. Then second one is here 69. So third value is like this, whatever values we have, like this we are giving up to this, like this we are, this is the same as this single array. You can define like this in a single line, you can define like this, in multiple lines you can define like this. So we'll see here one example you program for this, how we are, if we are declaring like this, is this is the correct value, it is defining the position or not, that we can see here. For this we'll see different types of arrays. If it is integer array, if I am specifying like this, output should be like this or not. If it is a character array, and if it is this array, we can see here. So in this program itself I am continuing this, just I am commenting this previous code. Here I want to write this. So that is here I am creating one integer array, int arr. So it is a integer array, I used IARR equal to here I need to specify some values, 87, 99, so etc. values I defined here. Array declaration has completed. Then I am writing here for each loop. So that is for each int. So what is that here? Condition. Int some value. So that is I ARR. This value, this condition, this declaration I am doing here. So here I want to into this system dot out dot print ln of here I want to print x value. So x value. Then I'm running this program. We can see this output. Then we can decide that next steps of this. See here what we are expecting. That format of output has here it is. So that output of format here. Like same here, instead of this, here I want to create one double array. Just I'm pasting here, this I'm changing as double. Here instead of this I'm giving this D. If it is on a double, how we can give this? 8.7, 9.9, 7.6, 6.7 and 9.8 and 7.8. Then here I'll use different variable, that is y. Here I'll write y. Same format we can write one more array. So that is a character array. If it is on a char, how it can be? So I'll put here C array. Then here, if it is on a character, we'll write some values. So A, B, C, D, something values we can write here. Like this. We can define the values here. So single I'm defining the values here like this. Done. So here also instead of I array it is an D array. Here it is a C array. C array. Here it's not a X. Here I will put Z. Here in output also we can use as Z. So I'm running this. So here we got some shoe. Double equal to, sorry, it's not integer, it is a double. Even here also it is character. So now we can run this. See, here is the output 76 for this is like this. So using this for each loop, these kind of assignments, these kind of programs we can use in our regular things. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates.